Hello, and welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico. This is a fairly extensive walk from our stop during a Caribbean cruise on Carnival Celebration. This is a 360-degree video. You will need to view it on a mobile device or computer, and you must be using the YouTube app. Currently, you cannot view it properly on a TV. Be sure to look around by dragging the screen or merely aiming your mobile device in a different direction. Have fun! I lost Adina forever. I think so. But she'll be able to find her way back home. She's a grown-up girl.
That makes one of us. She was not wrong. It is warm.
Somehow, for me, once I get used to it, I kind of like the Florida style of warm.
All the
Humid and heat, it just kind of feels like it's cleaning all my pores out like a sauna or something like that.
Let me know when you need me to take your picture, baby.
We did lose her. Do you have any idea what she's at?
She's right there.
Oh, I found her.
Almost as beautiful as me. Yeah, like so cute.
Did I make it beautiful too?
You stopped it off.
With Pablo the cherry on top.
Yeah.
Pero Blake se cuida. So nice. Look, Pablo, look. I found the fort.
No.
If you spend the night there, would that be a fortnight?
Oh my God, I get it. It's a joke, right?
Yeah.
You're trying to be funny, right?
I mean, that's technically football too.
Yeah. Look at so.
I'll put you on the right side of me so that I have the ability to zoom in on you when I'm looking at this 360 video.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi. Can you believe how pretty this place is and how few people are here? Don't they know about it?
Can I go jump down into the water? Or what do I do? I put the sand right there.
If only I could find a pier around here that I could walk out to. That would be cool. Oh, there's a pier I could walk out to. If it wasn't for the disallowable forcation,
The what?
if it wasn't that I was disallowed, this would be a good drone takeoff place
Yes.
at the end of the pier.
This is perfect. Are you gonna go see his hair problem?
Yes, because there's no disallowed vacation for people in wheelchairs to do it.
Oh, that brings me so nice. Yeah.
When you said fort, I was thinking of a different fort. Is this the fort we took a picture of on the beach, or remember that little ruined
No, it was
fort?
yeah, it's part of this whole thing. But yeah, we.
It
were
was
on
all
the
by
beach and we saw
itself
the room.
with nature around it and a single little.
Yeah, ruined down to the bottom. But we were up top because we were looking down at it. Remember?
You're up top looking down.
I am.
Hi, Dina.
Hey, hey, cheese. I'm being
Memorable.
memorialized.
Hey, let's go look down here through the shrubbery and the dense materials of nature. Okay, I've done it.
And back up. There's the fort.
I found the fort. It was all me. I did it. I found it. But that's, you know.
Marco Polo?
You know, I'm getting ready to say, but that's still not the one by the beach. And they go,
It is
I
not.
know that. Shut up. I'm just saying there's another fort.
We did not make it this way last time.
Well, we didn't have Chase with us last time.
Very true.
Kitties.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Dave, I got those.
Aw.
Save a gato?
Aw.
That's good marketing right there. They're already like, yeah.
I saw a lady come with those and feed them.
Uh-huh.
So I guess that's what she does. Look at that one looking like Mike.
But it's good exercise every
Yeah,
day, you know?
there's some pretty cool cats. Those cats make me kind of want to go back and have cats again.
Didn't you have a raccoon?
I had a raccoon that thought of me as their friend.
Yeah.
That he let eat out of my hand too.
Yep.
Right on.
That was my cat, the raccoon.
And yeah, Mike Hat. Like the name Mike
Yeah.
and then Hat. So I called it Mike Hat. And everybody said, your cat? And I go, no, Mike Hat.
He's my raccoon. Wild raccoon buddy. Except for then when we were on a cruise one time, he snuck into the house and shit all over the closet.
I remember that. That was
Yeah, that was gross.
That was a big pile that he left.
Yeah, and then I had to clean it up and it smelled so bad.
The last time I saw her, she brought her cubs to the door, and she stood there by the door, looked up at me, and kind of showed me her cubs running around, and then she left to train them, and it was over. And I looked online, and apparently 8 months or so raccoons take to train their offspring.
And then they go on to their own lives.
Yeah. This has not been the most fantastic 360 video. We're getting to the breeze side of the island, which is good for comfort, bad for drones. But it doesn't matter because we're still in old San Juan. I don't think I want to go to that.
I don't either. I just want to take pictures of it. I shall release you.
I'm doing this all on my own.
You are. You are all on your own now.
With my own power?
Yes.
That is crazy. Hello, Jay.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. I took some cool pictures of iguanas.
I don't think the locals like us, Chase.
No, I've seen that. No, I can't blame them sometimes.
Yeah.
I will run down. Huh?
Found it.
Found it. I'm gonna go jump in the water, Pablo, so I'm gonna give you your drone. So
Okay.
it does not get stolen. I'm just gonna go down here and jump in real quick.
I'm going to look for a spot
I'll
to
jump
try
in
to
too.
see if I have permission again.
Okay.
Anybody want to put their stuff in my backpack?
This is where I